Hey, power drills are cool, right? Let's check out this new one from DongCheng. This is their new compact 20 volt. It's the DCJZ 2050i model. In the box comes with a nice little carrying case. It comes with the drill bits for wood, metal, and masonry. It has this nice little adapter to reach around corners and in tight places. The kit comes with two 20 volt, 2 amp hour batteries and a fast charger for those. And it also comes with some driver bits, a nice little set, and the drill itself. The drill is a hammer drill and it has 20 settings on the clutch and 2 speeds in the gearbox. That's how you change the hammer drill drive setting there. This thing is compact and super comfortable. It feels like really high quality materials, but it's super light and small. You put it in your hand and it just makes you want to go find stuff to drill. It's really comfortable, really great ergonomics. You can see there it's got the drive, drill, and hammer functions and 20 settings on the clutch. It's got a nice little belt hanger. I clip it on my pocket. The compact size lets you get into tight corners. You can fit it just about anywhere, and it still has a ton of power. And even baby hands can use this drill.